Hey there everyone, welcome back again to another video of Windows Nexus. In this one, we're going to talk about how we can run Android app in Windows 11. And I would say there is an official method where we need to install Windows Subsystem for Android, but I would say that method is quite complicated. In this video, I'm going to talk about a simpler method that run Android app in your Windows 11. Not only that, it will also kind of group or kind of separate all these apps at one place such that you do not felt confused, oh, this is Windows app or of Android. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first thing here, what I'm gonna do is I have open here internet browser. Now let me type here BlueStacks. BlueStack is one of the oldest and one of most reliable Android emulator available in the market. All we need to do here is we need to click here on BlueStack 5. BlueStack 5 variant is completely offline version. There is another variant of BlueStack also available, which is known as BlueStack X or BlueStack 10, but that is more oriented toward, when you want to play your games in cloud. That's why I generally prefer to go with BlueStack 5. And then here you can see these are the different Android version. The latest one here is powered by Android 13 64-bit. So let's click here on download. And there we go, we have downloaded it. Now let's click here on open and now run the setup. And I'm gonna keep all these settings as it is, and now here you can change the folder where you would like to install. In my case, I am okay with the folder wherever it is installing it. If in case you are not satisfied, you can create new folder and can select that location. Now I'm gonna click here install, and then let's click here on I agree. Now let's just wait for the installation to get completed. And here you can see we are downloading around 1 GB of data. So make sure that you have enough amount of internet available. And now here we can see we are about to install it. And there we go. So let's click here, and here we can see it is just getting started. And finally here we can see we have successfully installed this Android app player in our system. Now let's say I would like to install any app or game. For example, let's search for Asphalt. And now here you might be seeing this particular app store. So let's click here on the top, which is home button, where you're gonna see all the apps that are installed, and maybe you're also going to see some of the advertisement, so you can ignore them. And here if we see this search bar, which is again powered by Play Store, so let's click here and probably you can search for any game. So let's look for this Plant vs Zombies, and actually I should search in Google Play. So let me click here, which will take us to Google Play Store. Now let's click here on sign in, and now we're going to sign in. So let me quickly do this. And there we go. Here we can see we have successfully signed in, and let's install this Plant vs Zombies from Play Store. And probably let me also look for another game, for example Asphalt 9. I think this one is the latest. And here you can see the size of this game. It is around 3.2 GB, but I'm going to install it. So let's see how it performs. Okay, and till then I guess I can go back here to home, and here we can see we have successfully installed Plant vs Zombies. So let's click here on this game. And now here, for notification you can allow or disallow. And there we go. So here you can see we have successfully installed this particular Android app in our Windows, and now we can play this game. So here you just saw how smooth was the playing experience. one such another game is Asphalt, that is, kind of very heavy game, because we saw that this particular one is of around 3.5 gigabyte. So let's see how this particular one will perform. And let me also go full screen, and let's also reduce the volume, and then I can select all other thing, and then we need to click on play, and now here you can see the game is ready to be played. And there we go. And if I see from my system resource side, this is one of very heavy game. It is utilizing my GPU, and that is really nice because at least it is utilizing the GPU. Now all here we need to do is to play this game, and here we can see how good the graphics are. So the reason why I took this particular app as an example, because of the sheer size of this app, and despite that the game worked flawlessly in Windows 11. So that's how guys you can install any game or app in your system. Let me again go back here in system apps, and let's click on Play Store. And then again, you can search for any particular game or app that you would like to install. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, informational, and now you will also able to play or enjoy all your Android app right in Windows 11. At Windows Nexus, our vision is what we can do to elevate your Windows experience. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel. If you have got any kind of questions or suggestion, feel free to provide us feedback in comment down below, and for sure we will try to respond to that as soon as possible. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.